Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email notifications on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana, but you do want to receive some email notifications, but disregard others. How do you actually go ahead and adjust your email notifications on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, you're going to click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, go ahead and click on Notifications, scroll all the way down, and then click on Email Notifications. Over here is where you could actually go ahead and toggle on or off the checkbox to decide which email notifications you want to go ahead and receive. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit your email notifications on Asana. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.